This is E3 and 4. What the? Oh, it sounds like we have a good motor. This might be... I don't know what these are. There was another deck close by that looked exactly like this, but with the slap-on mod. This one looks like it's a lot better. No way, it actually works. There was a deck on the other side I just tried, and it just didn't want to move. The other one was independent, the other one was broken. Sounds like we have a good motor. That's a good motor. Switch on 1. Yeah, this is definitely the original elevators. These weren't modded yet, and thank God, because the other ones on the other deck are unreliable. It just didn't want to budge. EPCO CircleLine. Oh my God, it's going up. Where's it going? Ah, God. Oh, it's on 2. It's coming down.
Exactly.
That
was it.
I think it's coming down. Water room's right there. Take this up to, we'll take, oh dear. Oh my God. Cameras. Okay, let's wait. Okay, listen. Oh my God. What kind of plop leveling was that? What the? Okay. These are stupid. They have mine on its own. This one's bouncy. Yeah, this is, I guess this is elevators 3 and 4 at Bergen. Don't know who put this in. I don't think this in crap. I had JL. Let's see if I get the chime too. It always relevels for some reason. Okay. There we go. Let's get my thumbnail. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.